Whether you're expanding a gallery, creating a virtual tour, or augmenting an educational experience, Adobe Aero makes it easy with intuitive ways to create augmented reality, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds. It allows you to simply create and share interactive AR scenes with customizable triggers and behaviors, and does so without the need of complex coding. Aero opens the door to augmented reality to all sorts of creative storytellers. You can bring in 2D images from Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, or 3D models from Adobe Substance, Mixamo, or your favorite third-party software. You can even license assets from your favorite online libraries. Now, Aero is a cloud-centric AR ecosystem that gives you multiple surfaces on which to create and publish your AR content, including your computer, tablet, or mobile phone. This gives you, as a creator, the ability to work with Aero scenes anywhere, using your device of choice. You can design on Aero Desktop at home or at work, maximizing the robust editing tools and the additional screen real estate, and then transfer over to Aero Mobile to view the experience and scene in the real world in real time, adjusting and tweaking the scene on mobile as you experience it in true AR. And since your work is always backed up to the Adobe Cloud, you can easily jump back and forth between all surfaces to truly optimize your desired workflow. Once you're done crafting your experience, Aero allows you to share your content in 4 different ways. You can easily capture a video of the AR experience to share on social media or on the internet. You can share the AR experience as AR by generating a link or a QR code. Both options will launch the Aero AR experience so your viewers can fully interact with your scene in augmented reality. Aero also lets you share the actual Aero source file called the .real file. This allows you to share your Aero work and collaborate with other creatives. Now that you have a good introduction to Aero, we can continue our learnings by completing the next set of tutorials. Let's roll up those creative sleeves, dive in, and get started.